I think we all came to the conclusion that I'm slowly reinventing myself. That I keep reinventing myself. From chance hope to crisis mode, chancy, whatever you want to call me. I'm none of those things. I'm something way more. This whole time, I've been going through these different name changes, trying to figure out who I really am. Who am I? Am I chance? Am I chance hope? Am I chancy? Am I the forbidden door? Let me answer your question. None of those are right. None of those are right. I'm something way more. I'm something way more than just... I'm way more than just a person. I'm a YouTuber. And I've come to realize things. I'm slowly changing. And I think it's about time there becomes some change on the channel. So no longer look at me as chance hope. Don't look at me as the forbidden door. Don't look at me as the aggressor. Don't look at me as the flintlock pistol king. Don't look at me at any of these things, because I found out for so long I've been searching for who I really am, and I know exactly who I am now. I'm something far more popular, something far more. Now, yeah, someone's called this in wrestling. So there's not only one of these, there's only two of these in this world. There's only one of these in this world. But now there's two. There's one in wrestling, and now there's one in YouTube. I'm not Chance Hope. I'm not the Forbidden Door. I'm Switchblade. I got my inspiration name from a wrestler that I like named Jay White. He calls himself the Switchblade. That's what he's known for. Switchblade Jay White. And in the wrestling world, he's King Switch. But in the YouTube world, I'm King Switch. Baby. That's my new name. Switchblade. I am King Switchblade.